Okay, so welcome back to another episode. In this one, we are looking at this penny stock again. It's actually worth only 1 cent, and this one is of course ASTI, or Ascent Solar Technologies. Now of course, we have covered this one before, and in tonight's episode we are talking about why it is potentially a good buy for the next few years, and of course definitely at the current share price. So if it does sound like a good plan for an episode, guys, please do leave a like and subscribe. It would be massively appreciated, as we are trying to grow the channel as fast as possible. And with that being said, I am not a financial advisor, but we are going to jump straight in. So guys, looking at this stock right now, we can see that basically the stock has actually been doing quite well over the past day or two. It really is starting to pick up some traction as we do reach almost the 2 cent mark. Now it does sound like a very small goal to reach, however overall if we're looking over the past week only, we can see we're up extremely significantly with a gain of over 150%. With that being considered, guys, we do need to look at this one for the future and where this actual industry is going. So solar panels and solar power is a very big industry at the minute, and of course it is forecasted to grow as people do look to this clean energy and all that kind of good stuff. Over the next 4 years, President Biden is looking to do a lot more of a green initiative when it comes to energy and all that kind of good stuff, and realistically the whole market sector could definitely see some growth in the future. Now of course this company itself could definitely benefit from that if they can get their position in the market correct and if they can increase their market share, and I think realistically we could be onto a winner with this stock. Now, of course, looking at this one short term, guys, I do see some big potential also. I mean, yes, we are up significantly, so to be honest, I wouldn't be surprised if we do see a dip in the next day or two, and I don't think that'd be a bad thing at all. People do often get concerned when penny stocks dip, but realistically, guys, we need to look at the numbers, we need to look at the facts. This one is up significantly, very significantly over the past 2 market days. When we consider that, it does make sense that it could potentially drop a little bit in the next few days, and of course, that does happen with a lot of penny stocks. When they see a rise like this, they often do fall a little bit and then actually flatten out, and then the growth starts to come back because a lot of people do actually cash in the shares that they have bought for a relatively decent profit, to be honest, and if that happened here, I wouldn't be surprised at all. Overall though, guys, I really can see this one hitting more than 10 cent potentially in the next few years. Short term though, it really is hard to say, so if I was going to be buying this one, I personally, in my opinion, would not be buying more than £20 worth in my personal view, which is, I don't know, like $25, maybe even 30, but I would definitely say maximum, in my opinion, I would not waste more than £100 on this. And even if it is a good company, if it's a fantastic company, realistically, guys, when it comes to penny stocks, in my opinion, and of course I am not a financial advisor, and you can make your own opinions if you disagree with me, but my personal view is that penny stocks are often very volatile. More often than not, they don't do as well over a longer period of time, and of course, yes, there is the odd one that does do absolutely amazingly, but I would personally not risk it with too much on these penny stocks. But overall, guys, realistically, looking at the company, looking at the market sector, there is definitely space for this one to move up in the shares price if it does play its cards right. But, you know, short term, I can see a little bit of a sell-off coming and, you know, hopefully see a bit of that growth continue on after that. So realistically, guys, in my opinion, don't be too concerned if you do see a bit of a sell-off in the next day or two. Just expect it to happen because that's what I would personally do, as that does often happen when we see a big gain in penny stocks price. So overall, guys, realistically, very good company. I am a fan, and I do actually see forecasted growth for the future long term. If I was going to be buying this one, I would be holding long term, i.e. the next 5 to 10 years. I know that sounds like a very long time, but realistically, we need to look at the figures and the actual, you know, market right now. It is a good market right now, but in 10 years, I do believe that green energy is going to be a lot bigger than it is currently. And like I said earlier, if this company can grab a little bit of that market share, we could see good things on the horizon. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the quick video. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.